All right, today we're going to go over how to remove units from your planner. I'm going to go into my Sewing to Classroom. I'm going to go into my planner. And from here, I'm going to scroll down. And here is a unit. I'm going to come up here and hit the gear icon. And I have a little checkbox over here on the far left. If I check the checkbox, it's going to check that unit as well as everything inside that unit. Now, I might not have any assignments or lessons or anything in that unit. It might just be an empty unit, and that's fine too. But if I'm wanting to get rid of a unit, then I can click that checkbox under the unit specifically and come over here and hit delete. It asks me, am I sure I want to delete the 5 selected items? So that's the unit as well as anything that is assigned within that unit. And I'm going to click yes. And then it is gone. So that is how we come into the planner and delete everything that is in a unit as well as the unit itself. Hope that helps.